When we talk about AI, it's so easy to get lost in all the complex tag and buzzwords. But what if the most powerful tool you have isn't code, but a really clear strategy? Well, that's what we're building today, together. We're going to cut through all that noise and create your personal playbook for AI compliance and data privacy. This is all about moving from just following rules to getting real results. I just love this quote because it completely hits the nail on the head. It's the perfect mindset for this. It's so easy to think you have to be some kind of engineer to succeed with AI. But the reality, you don't need to know how the engine works to drive the car. You just need to know where you're going. And today, we're giving you the map and handing you the keys. So here's our game plan. First, we'll nail down why this is so critical, like right now. Then, we're going to lay down a simple but super powerful framework. After that, we'll see how to put it into practice, learn from the best, and maybe more importantly, see the pitfalls to avoid. And finally, we'll wrap it all up with your key strategic takeaways. All right, let's dive right in. With all the amazing things AI can do, why on earth should something like compliance be at the very top of your list? I mean, it sounds kind of like a roadblock, doesn't it? Well, let's see why it's actually the accelerator. Because look, getting a handle on this stuff isn't just about avoiding fines. It's about taking control. This knowledge gives you a solid foundation for every single strategic decision you make about AI. It's what turns you from being a passenger just along for the ride into the driver who is confidently behind the wheel of your organization's AI journey. And getting this right, it's not just a defensive move. Not at all. Organizations that really nail privacy and compliance, they get a huge competitive advantage. They run more efficiently, they slash their risks, and they build way more trust with customers, employees, and investors. It's a total win-win. Okay, so how do we actually do this? How do we make it happen? Well, that brings us to our blueprint for success. We can actually boil all this complexity down to a simple but incredibly powerful three-part framework. The best way to think about it is like a loop that just keeps going. First step, strategy and planning. That's where you decide your destination and you map out the route. Next, implementation. You actually get in the car and start driving. And finally, measurement. This is where you're checking your dashboard, your speed, your fuel, your progress, and you use that data to maybe find a better, faster route. And here's the crucial part. This isn't just theory. This isn't academic. These three pillars are specifically designed to bridge that gap between just talking about AI and actually applying it in the real world, safely, effectively, and with results you can actually see. This is your toolkit for turning ideas into action. Okay, we've got our framework. Now let's make it real. How would you use this to tackle a project? Say, starting tomorrow. All right, picture this. I bet this sounds familiar to a lot of you. Your boss comes to you and asks you to figure out if AI can improve some core process. It feels huge, right? Ambiguous? Where do you even begin? Well, with a structured approach, that challenge turns into a really clear opportunity. And here's how you turn that big, fuzzy question into concrete action. You don't try to boil the ocean. You follow a really disciplined 5-step method. First, define the scope. Literally, write down what success looks like. Second, audit the process. Find out where the real problems are. Third, start a small, focused pilot on just one high-impact area. Fourth, measure and compare. Let the data, now your gut, tell you if it's working. And finally, step 5, iterate and scale. You refine your approach, and then you expand. Now, what's really fascinating is that once you've seen enough of these projects, you start to see patterns. You see clear behaviors that separate the teams that absolutely crush it from the ones that just get stuck spinning their wheels. The teams that succeed are always proactive. It always starts with strategy, making sure everyone is on the same page from day one. Then, they have this relentless focus on delivering measurable value. They also invest in their people, building up capability for the long haul. And crucially, they stay flexible, ready to pivot as they learn. And on the flip side, the projects that just fall flat, they almost always stumble into the same predictable traps. You've got misalignment between key players, not having the right resources, running into resistance to change, and, this one's the project killer, struggling to prove their impact because success was never clearly defined in the first place. When you lay it out side by side like this, the choice is pretty clear, isn't it? You can be reactive and get tangled up in all these common problems, or you can take the proactive path by seeing them coming and applying the best practices. One path leads to real value, the other, well, it leads to a lot of wasted time and money. So, let's bring it all home. Based on everything we've just gone through, what are the key principles you can write into your own personal AI playbook right now? These are the 5 non-negotiable rules for your playbook. 1. Strategy, engagement, and execution are your rock-solid foundation. 2. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. Simple as that. 3. Invest in your people to build capability that lasts. 4. Always be ready to adapt based on what the data is telling you. And 5. And this one is so important. Remember this. Good governance doesn't kill innovation. It enables it. So, the playbook is ready. The framework is clear. The only question left is the one right here on the screen. What is the first step you are going to take to put this into action? Because that's where your real AI journey begins.